We had previously seen that we can add numbers like 12 with 13 using the plus sign in Python, and if I run this, it successfully ran and added these two numbers. But we have multiple other operators which we can use. We saw the plus, we have a minus, and for multiply we use the asterisk sign, and for divide forward slash. These four are the main operators. This is plus, minus, multiply, divide. Then we have double asterisk, which means to the power of. So we are going to use this to find a number to the power of something. So let's try each of these. We already saw the plus operator. Now let's try the minus operator with 22 minus 13. It should give us 9. And as you can see, it gave us 9. Now let's try to multiply these. As you can see, it multiplied them, and we can also use divide to divide them, and we got this big number. Now in division, when you divide a number with something, even though it's fully divisible, you will always get a floating point number as a result. So as you can see, the answer is 2, but it will give us 2.0, and later on I will show you how you can convert this to an integer without using type conversion. And finally, let's look at the exponent sign. So I'm going to be doing 2 to the power of 2, which is simple. It's going to be 4, and as you can see, it gave us 4. I can also do 2 to the power of 3, and it will give me 8. Now you can also use a combination of each of these operators. For example, 3 plus 6 multiplied by 9 minus 10 divided by 2. Now if we solve this here, 3 plus 6 equals 9. 9 into 9 equals 81. 81 minus 10 equals 71. And then we divide 71 by 2. We got something else. Now in Python, it uses PEMDAS. So this means that first we are going to be doing parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Meaning first, so it's going to multiply 6 by 9, which is going to be 54. And then after that, divide 10 by 2, which will be 5. And then you can either add 3 with 54 or subtract 5. I will subtract 5. 54 subtracted by 5 is 49. And then finally, we add 3, which is going to give us a 52. And our answer was 52. It gave us 0.0 because we performed a division, so it gave us a floating point result. Now in parentheses, this means that everything that is inside a parenthesis will be done first, then the exponents, and then after that multiplication, division, addition, then subtraction. Now multiplication, division will be done at the same time. So it is really like this. Multiplication and division are at the same level, and the same goes for addition and subtraction. So we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction. Now what I want you to do is to pause the video and solve this on your own, and after that guess what the result is going to be. So when I run this, as you can see, the result was 14. I am actually going to be commenting this out, clear the console, and then run this again. So we got 14 as the result. Now let's go through it together. First it's going to do the parentheses, which 6 minus 4 equals 2. And then we can remove the parentheses. After that, it's going to do the exponents. 4 to the power of 2 is 16. Then it is going to do multiplication and division. So let's multiply. 7 multiplied by 4 is 28, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now it is going to add this. 28 plus 2 equals 30, and then 30 minus 16 equals 14. And that's what we got. We got 14 as the answer, and we got 14.0 because we performed division as well, and division converts the number to a floating point number. In the next video, I have an exercise for you which is going to test your skill of mathematical operators in Python. So for all of that and more, I'll see you there.